Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your account email is verified and 2FA is enabled, because Adventures DBL requires verified identity. Once done, gather your assets, a 512 x 512 logo, a banner, and a concise 200-400 character description, so you won't stall mid-form. Next, log into the Adventures DBL admin portal using the same account that owns the project. Make sure you have your OAuth client ID and basic permissions visible before you proceed to the listing form. Now you dive into the detailed execution. Fill the main listing form with precise title, short and long descriptions, and choose accurate tags and categories so users find you. Then add technical fields, client ID, OAuth redirect URI, support URL, and at least 2 command examples that show core functionality. Upload your logo and banner, set privacy and age flags if required, and use the preview to check mobile and desktop layouts. If something looks off, adjust text or image cropping before you submit. Finish by submitting the listing and completing any verification steps the portal requests, such as email confirmations or ownership checks. After submission, monitor the dashboard for approval status and be ready to respond quickly if reviewers request changes. Fast responses shorten review cycles. Once approved, promote the Adventures DBL entry in your server and socials, track invite and click metrics, and iterate on description or images based on feedback. Troubleshooting tip: if approval stalls, clear cache, reupload assets at correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.